Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Happy Sunday. Yay. Ngibeke into yami la phansi ngoba ngizoba nethi ngiphuza njalo itiye but asisuke netiye. Nina ngibhalela usisi Sithobile. Uphika manje saqala. uThobile uyangibhalela uthi awusijusti awutsibe uthi okay mina I'm a lady ngizivelele emakhaya ne I'm a lady I'm trying to hustle impilo like inzima and stuff like that yabona so uthi okay ngisebenza ku non-profit organization angeke ngisho ukuthi ngibasebenza ukwenza ngoba ngizwe yabona so uthi okay senza ama door to door like in most cases so besebenzele ku a new area la besekhona it was the first time siyakhona and besi pave up and down the whole day kilobona so uthi awusijozi okay sihamba siyaqala vele uthi section by section so uthi brothers uthi si ma four ladies but ngizoname lo one kuphela because lapha nje ma supporting ex yabona lapha nje ay bazophuma story so uThobile uthi okay how sehambe uthi ubhutisi vele vele uhamba ngeGerman car a beautiful car uthi athi yo ladies dala nginibona la ku neighborhood nenza ama up and down kahle nenza ini how about ngingibeze because uthi already bese ku afternoon already besizoshayisa uthi ngicela unipha I lift and then see like down the road bekune KFC isort for KFC mase ngifakile uthi uthi bekune case in KFC down the road okay so hlala khona and then explain to me ukuthi nenzani because I can see ukuthi ngathi nenza something interesting so if you don't mind nganipha indif ngonithengelane lunch and then we can sit down ke sibe ne conversation uthi Thobile uthi sibone ukuthi IC4 uyiwana ngasenzani bathi bagibele vele emotweni Thobile uthi ngithi front seat laba abanye abayi3 bagibele emuva kulobona uthi hayi la endleleni vele abuze ubrothers uthi how amagama uthi vele kube yimi uThobile ngibe spokesperson se group theme hayi ngithobile sebenza ukwenza in uthi vele ngimlele down vele everything awatseleke uthi vele ngikhuluma uthi ama ladies vele afahlele emoli mo but bangakhulumi kila bona bazikhulumele bona babodwa uthi mina no brothers sithi brothers ubani sothi brothers awutho ngingakhulumi fast ngithi badla amalanga ngikhuluma fast nebona talana uthi hayi vele ngibe vele ngiyamkhulumisa ayisakhuluma vele uthi hayi vele umuntu vele ubrothers uvele ubhudo right so uthi brothers uThom Thobile noThom yeah so uthi uThom vele abuza ama question relevant questions vele ezi concern umsebenzi sowenza uthi vele abuza hayi vele ngehlaloshe mbudembe kehlaloshe hayi ubrothers sisifike KFC athi pick anything you want I will pay yabona uthi hayi vele sibe banyana bakatshino vele banyana ba orithweri kehlala vele uthi hayi vele sikhethe vele ukudla uthi hayi vele asibhadele brothers athi hayi mina ladies indlela yami isaqhubeka so enjoy your food sizokhuluma abaphi business card la kan ngesithobile athi this is my business card ngicela ningifonele if you need anything but Thobile because of bengikhuluma nawe ngicela ukuthi ungipha ama number wakho then ngizokufonela ke if ever I've got something on the table for you guys brothers uThom ke entrepreneur kibo tender planner ke all in one everything inside don't into ukhona kilokho so una the connection of which abothobile ama connections is into abayifunayo ama connections into abasifunayo kahle ukuthi into abayenzayo itsole kopile sharp uthi awusijozi hayi sidle sicoce kube mnandi mina like sengikhiphile vele indaba because bengikhuluma ngomsebenzi sengimkhiphile uThom like indabeni yethu sharp hayi uthi a day later angifonele uThom Thoma angifonele athi kimi athi usangikhumbula ilobhudulo yana wase KFC uthi hayi ngikhumbule ngithi oh okay how are you I brothers vela abe right athi bengicela nje just ungiphi address yala ngisebenza or ungisendele pin location yale office la khona ngize ngizobona into obongitshela zona because like ngifila ukuthi I conversation it way interesting so I want to see umsebenzi oniwenzayo uThobile uthi ngimthumele vele I location vele ubrothers vele eze like at an hour later motho khotlo ashuko gating afike gating ngizela ngoThobile hayi vele uthi hayi ngitshela abaphathi ke ba ukuthi kunobhuti uze lana besikhulume naye in the other day now uthi uzala uzobona ukuthi what's going on uthi hayi abaphathi bakhe vele ba welcome brothers uThobile uthi hayi mina vele ngisichubekele with whatever bengiyenza because no seyingaphezulu kwamandla ifuna abaphathi bazochaza vele hayi ubrothers uthi bahlala nabo phansi engasikudala hayi kube umuntu vele soyaphuma vele angibize athi kimi athi ngikhulumile izinto oyenzayo ngiyabonga like the way ukhulume nami ngakhona I've left something for you guys ngicela ukuthi bakunikeze because ubonali umfu awulela whatever that you were talking about so ngithize bakunikeze isitseke hudi manje kishile angasho ukuthi ushe ini malini or whatsoever uthobile uthi hayi sisitshozi vele mina ngiqhubeke ngelanga lami bangangibiza abaphathi kube day one day idlule second day angifonele uTom did they give you something lento ngishilo uthi hayi mina zange bangitshele next uthi I'm going to call them because they need to give you something if it wasn't for you ngabe bengingayazi organization yini yabona uthi hayi vele nkaneti Tom afonela abaphathi uthi bangibize vele after like mitsutsonyana but you know lo bhuti bekalana uthi unikeze something because you motivated ukuthi agcine ezela so bathi na 2000 rand or awushozi kithabe into ngophela mina ngithi mihasela I'm hustling kilo one so or kithabe into ngokisa yitsi and uthi cabanga ngaleso sikhathi phela mina ngihlala eSkhona camp or 2000 rand neholento egolo gore ke petsa kilo one mabakaka kozuzo nyaka so uthi angifonela athi banginikeze imali ngithi 2000 athi imali encane kaso phezulu imali ngishile uthi like ngibuza ukuthi ushiye malini yabona ubhuti athi 200k uthobile mos muthuna lechelete ke mponyela atsoke ona lechelete uthi hayi mara mina beside lokho banginikeze khona ngiyabonga because le mali le iyo yakubantu abayidinga ukudlula mina so brothers athi wena yazi unobuntu bengiqela just nje to take you out for lunch story sidene ningawari but ngiseza kancane ngizofika la ngiyakhona elina nginibonile mangihleka sona ngi-screenshot why am I this yabona so brothers athi can I take you out for lunch uthobile uthi at first like bengimbona as ubhuti la koms you know like unale relationship eling professional and then una relationship ungacabanga ukuthi ungayimixa professional plus une relationship lo ubona umuntu oqala umuntu ukuthi lo mina naye singaba ne relationship yabantu abathanda naye kulobona not yakombiri konguriya business or ya whatsoever yabona uthi mina mangimbona vele bengimbona as umuntu wakomerikong and kemfa that respect or ke motho wa mereko so uthi makathi lunch uthi mara ngidle mahloni ngithi ngisenalabo sisilabo esihamba sonke athi no Thobile I'm asking you ukuthi can I take you out for lunch not you ladies for lunch yabona uthi Thobile athi okay so yakuphi athi wena tomorrow ngizokulanda ngo12 lapha emsebenzini lunch athu isikhathi bani athi ngo12 athi bengicela ukulanda lapha emsebenzini uThobile athi no ungalanda emsebenzini mina ngo12 ngizokucela ukushayisa early ukuthi ngishayise ngo12 and then sizokhona uhlangana but ungenzilani emsebenzini because Thobile they didn't want everyone to see ukuthi wenzani outside umsebenzi kilo one and it's yo ayingikhathele yazi sisi uthi the following day acede vele ukuthi ucela ushesa ngo12 uthi ka12 vele ngitshayise mangishayisa vele uthi vele ngigibele ngithi sizohlangana nemall because bengafuna ukuthi abantu babe yabona ngithi sizohlangana nemall uthi ke namele taxi ka 11 ibida bathi gore vele kuyatsamaya vele ngoba ngicela ukuthi ngicela ushesa early uthi vele ngibaleke kanjalo emsebenzini ithi shuke emall uthi masifike emall vele ngithola vele brothers already nasaka ngimele vele ku parking uthi angitshela ukuthi side uthi hayi vele ngokhe uthi vele mangiyakuye vele ngibona imoto yakhe naye kanti ungibenge imira uthi vele avula umnyango vele ahlike uthi vele mangifike athi hi how are you Thobile uthi vele ngivume ngithi hi Tom uthi umuntu kube umuntu ukuthi uyangi ikulona umuntu uza kimi kahaka ana handshake uthi hi vele nami ngivume ukuthi umkhala nice umkha fresh athi kulona like uhake indoda uyihake like how ebe mone but ukwemunku wa after shave munku wa perfume kulona like fresh smell or good fresh smell uthi gazi lami liqala lithi zizar basadi nebadi ushoze umuntu athi sodla kuphi vele ngithi hayi mina okunye nokunye angikhethi yabona ubrothers athi no asabi kuna this nice restaurant la so hamba khona sihlala khona then we can talk so uthi vele sihambe awushoze urifile kwa restaurant there uthi restaurant vele le decent sihlale phansi vele umuntu vele siodwa ukudla vele sicale vele sikhuluma or abude vele straight to the point at awusi ungichazile lelanga and wangichaza so bengicela nje ukuthi inkosazana ungiphi ithuba ngibuyile ngisengizahluka esontweni guys asini mara ngizokhuluma lesi masinya ngizosicedela le story mangube esontweni because it's a long story. So sisters uthi awusjozi hayi vele uthi vele angitshele lokho vele sihleli phansi vele relebelanda ngidabadi mahlongo sibhekene vele emehlweni angitshele lokho uthi ngimbuze mina ukuthi mina I'm just an ordinary girl ozivile emakhaya uhustlayo odulanga kosikota campaign ohlala emkhukwini. So yini into enga attract like umuntu ofana nami yabona but uTom athi you know what let me give you an example. Kusho Tom leso sikhathi phela. Kanti line itseki. You know what? Athi uma uthenga imoto, okay, uyayibona ngaphandle like exterior it's nice and stuff. Athi mangena ngaphakathi uthole interior like top tier. Athi this is you. Ngiyakubona ngaphandle but uthize mawuvula umlomo ukhuluma nami. Like ngaba sold same time. So into ngiyithandile ngawo ukuthi unobuntu open minded ujoli man unali vibe unali that thing. So into engiyithandile ngawe. So azange ngitshele ukuthi sicela in like ukukhuluma bo straight to business. Shitho ngikhombisa ukuthi lento mazana le esebenzelayo into yayo. Asila amantombazana la acela imali ngebungu. Nina Mona Olina, serial cheatist girl. Asali 666, like 777. I'm telling you. Yeah, man. Utobile awusjosi. Net line ufela. Ubuti got me hooked. Net ngale line le uthi like ngis picture ngithi angitshela ukuthi monna otsoma ka German ka akaba mo talk it means almost not a good life. Akampa bophelo bitere. But so uthi brothers vela amtshela ukuthi no I don't have a partner ngicela uhlala nomuntu wami recently and beyusihlukani kabuhlungu vele beke breakup eserious so bengisafuna ukuheala. So now that ngiku healing journey you talking to me lelalanga like ukuvuse that thing enehwile mona hore kahle kahle khona umuntu ongangipha lento ngiyidingayo umuntu wesifazane athi ngisho wena nkosazana Chesa Tom. So utobile uthi yo awusjozi like kitluhe like from that yabona kunabanye abantu like mawumbona so ubona that professional relationship or working relationship stuff like that. Athi azange ibe nale ukuthi we can build like a relationship yabantu oratana. Ngibona like ngibona as a colleague or a superior yami bengamboni as umuntu ongajola naye. That's why like bangikhuluma la bengikhuluma izinto zomsebenzi strictly. Yabona so uthi zakhe ukukhuluma la line la sekamlebelela abuthi and abuthi unkhanize. One thing about Tom unkhanize. Athi kubona labo bhuti laba bayenza bashefa ngama aftershave bayirandi bafethu shefa bari aftershave ar unkha aftershave and inkamunat athi mawuthi haka like that hack nje ikushiya nawo usale unuka yena ikilona akibo abutibo arina norkisa spray ka aerosol spray ari uthinki kisa spray sela so cheaper ukulowana so 20 something rand ngiberekisa sona fela. So like mangimbheka khuluma singazipicturisa or kitso komkhukhu maybe angile black enyana or kimuva inland arsethi in my mind kiratani lena kanyana lelena kabalibala ra divorce or raro hanya ke leave engqondweni yami already ngizenzela ama steps masinya sengizipicture ku future no Tom. So uthi isikhulume vele no Tom indaba yethu vele ngithi mina Thomas angikwazi ngiyakusaba especially unemali uzonyusa uzolala nami ungeke ini uthi vele ngirese like ama concerns wami as a woman in South Africa. Yabona uthi Tom athi no man don't do that to yourself ungathi umuntu akuthanda uzirithele phansi athi anyone can be married to anybody. President ngashada necleaner. So ungazitshela ukuthi because of it's you it will never happen to you. So nanto ekifila kiyanente and I like you between ezi chance ngiprovele ukuthi ngaba monna wa ditoro tsa how batla wena kusho uTom utshela uthobile thobile uthi ngivume vele lapha ngithi okay let me give you a chance then ke tla bona hore ntho ireza mangitla re bya kokae uthi from there awushuzi hoba di phone call bona di data wena di airtime hayi umuntu sokufuna ukungibona now and then ekulobona uthi in all of that besihlangana like emotweni ku-restaurant, we've never saba ku-private space together solo and stuff like that yabona. So uthi kube nala vele angibuza khona ukuthi kahle wena uhlala kuphi, because already ngihlangana nawe, always ngihlangana nawe emall. Brothers uthi vele ngichaza ukuthi mina mangibona ngila ngihlala eSquatter campaign, ngihlala ngiwani ekithi singaka yimi ngihasila ekithi ngivele emakhaya. Uthi vele ngimuphe like i-background yami kahle kahle gore iyale fast break big background yini mara background yakhe ke yale fast gore abone gore if udi kenyamo ho leng byang. Hayi brothers uthi vele asikachoha asikashikinyeke lo bona. Brothers like awube umuntu vele usacontinue niyangifonela siyakhuluma life iba munati just like that nje. Akase umuntu ofuna izinto eziningi ufuna ukungazi uthi kufike to a point one day athi ngicela ukukisa kwami uyobona kwami sokhulumela la ku private khona. Uthi vele ngingali vele or no holy weekend atla to pick up koSquatter campaign ka German car or vele atla to pick up. Hayi sihamba vele uthi endleleni vele ngithengele ukudla vele sikwakhe or awusuza fihla kwa ntlu ke smart ngika fresh wathi ngikangari ngika stay so ari lo wona ofisi uhlazo likubu ku kamre ngika. Samanga yazi ngiyaxolisa ne ngindaba isound le ngibhora yazi. And ngireceive i-call ngayidropa i-call cause bengafuni ukudisturb before ukuthi ngipause i-recording then ngidrop i-call and ngiphinde futhi ngirecord. So mina ngivele ngadrop i-call ngacontinue kanti yona iphumile ku-sound, but now sethekele ngizoyibamba next time, angayikhathanga shame i-sound. Asicaleni ke, ngicala kuphi ukuthi am invite endlini azomlala ngeGerman car koSkoda camping. Nakhumbule nje ngicine lapha usisi uthi makafika vele like uTom has a beautiful house. I was choose intlo ya monna ola ipila nto or awubula munyako ari kilo bona like ukena kontlu ngakuthi like in each and every house kuna this smell esikhona uthola ukuthi the owner of the house awugasizwe kilo bona like angeke si deny le, it's like that. But usisi uthi awusijozi abula mina kunka fresh ari outwa mosi diko futhi uhlazwa uthi stay soft, stay soft in le enye le product le enye inokisa izungu ngathi perfume ngikhohle igama yona leyo mara nayibamba ngisho kwangisho kune stay soft kunenye lena amabhodlela 6 amahle angithi stay soft asinokusikamnandini but comfort yona leyo yabona. So uthi mawuvula nje umnyango like kunuka fresh kunuka kamnandi uthi athi ungangena, welcome to your home. Ngiyabona uthi vele ngingene awusijozi kitsene ndlu ipila everything like it's on point. Uthi ubona ukuthi la bekuhlala umuntu wesifazana or kuhlala umuntu wesifazana uthi like okay in everything ngibe reserved kulobona hore ngingabi comfortable to an extent ukuthi ngena every room and stuff like that. Uthi mangihlele dining room nginayi dining room ngihlala lapho makatha sekamareni like ake mothoki fihla ngibula di cupboard ngifuna ukucheck ukuthi kwenzakalani in uthi ngizele ngathi you know what, if ever this thing is last up oma 2 ba temporary yabo ma 2-3 months, let me enjoy the ride. Ngisahlala bari ke funa ukusnooper around izinto ezingangifuni ikulobona thobile ngoyana olenge slam. So uthi ayivele kube ukuthi indaba ukuthi each and every time vele ngiyeza invite uzongilanda each and every time ngiyeza aqala ubhuti athi you know what man, how about ukuthi ushize impahla zakho lana ezinye because mawulana then uyostrakisha ngezimpahla and then ezinye uzashendlini for ukuthi mawula ube nezinto zala and then I can buy you more stuff like that. Yabona ha usisi uthi okay ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo uyangiallow kancane yabona. So uthi sesivele ngizini izimpahla zami uthi hayi vele isikhathi masiya ubrothers athi hi man, pimp yourself, isithengele izinto, uthenga izimpahla zalana, you can buy whatever you want. Uthi amuphe icard. So athi kakubukhathi buy yourself anything you want. What I was choosing bengiqala ukungena eWoolworths ne ngiselebela price or something. If I want something eating angibheki ukuthi malini ngizoshota ngiyophatanisa kanjani, or I was choosing nekira ketsena shopong if I want something ngasireka because kinale card and it's a black card and tsela dina lenye yazifuna lezana leza nestafuna ukukhuluma ngama brand yabona or so like kuqala vele kube i-lifestyle yami. Ubhutiza angitshela athi you know what, ngiyazi ukuthi uyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho non organization uberekela ngona, but for the way you articulate yourself, articulate yabona, the way you articulate yourself, the way like wachaza ngakhona everything, like your mind ibereka handle man for muntu akaberekela mola. It's not ukuthi sixayela lapha phansi i-department la bayasebenzela khona, but athi akhona manama opportunities la ungawabheka, like angakubeka like uthola a good paying job kulobana like dulunyana tsi job. So uthi ngicela ukuthi uresign lapha yana yabona, uresign and then come move in nami officially uzohlala lana endlini. Ay what I was just ngibheka it's okay, i-lifestyle sengiyayiqala ukuyijwayela phela ngoba nonke madam sangikhona ugqoka izinto expensive diluse expensive about expensive things uthi vele sengiyaqala uthi ubrothers bekane helper bekane helper, so helper beku late or something ngithizeni ngale lapha ungasana volume ngathi ngizo late ngiqhubeke ngo late yabona uthi beyawu nehelper vele ulady uthi hayi vele ulady kube umama vele welcoming, very welcoming. Ngilobona I'm welcome, amchazela ukuthi hayi ubhuti umuntu alright and ubhuti udivorce nalo mama bekahlala la because wathi umama bekanamehlo ngaphandle ubhuti ukanti umama ujole no someone wala kuma tenderpreneurs azi ubhuti kanti usisi beyangazi ukuthi uyamazi biba jontselane yabona. And then ubrothers uthoma find out and then wakhaba lenje wamkhika out. So I'm welcome ukuthi no ziphathe kahle ubhuti umuntu right. Uthi vele usisiledi ngibona ukuthi hayi umuntu right nalo muntu lo umuntu right. Ngilobona uthi ngicale vele ngibe comfortable sengiyakhuleka ukuthi ngimadam levels ngilobona from Scotter camp to the suburbs yabona. Uthi okay uthi awushozi icale vele ukuthi ulo angifunele like a project that I can run and efuna ukuthi ngipresent yabona. Like angipho umsebenzi ongikhona ukuwenza ngilobona like angifunele those small jobs la ngiba khona busy angafuni ukuthi ngihlale endlini. Uthi okay ngibona ukuthi mslempilo lo kibuphilo bobo right yabona. What awushozi I don't want to lie asengale inkonzweni abuti othi awusjosi like abuti ola onkamonate ona le ntlo smart ona le koloi shapo ona le chelete le kamo go enkonzweni like inkonzo like he can handle inkonzo yakhe kahle ayicale kahle ye one awukense komoyeni watseba keng utlo ngariko obona asemke ayehle kahle ayehle nawo kahle ngomthandazo akubeke phansi ubhuti yabona. So mina ukuthi ubhudiza onkama ama box wakhe ngithi correct ngilobona uthi okay awusjozi isikhathi sihambe ke ukuthi manje saqala vele uku-introduce to ama tenderpreneur friends wakhe kumpilo ephilayo umsebenzi awenzayo aqale vele manje so yang introduce kuma family members wakhe shuthi ngiyabona ukuthi lento le iyablossom ke manje wabona morange khawufi yeah global uthi vela ngintroduce kuma family members bangazi abo sister abo auntie abo cousin aba invite nongicela ukuthi nizobona nginosisi ngihlala naye omusha uthobile ini ora nakuthe awushozi everything yakhe on point. Umuntu ngithole vele ngathi ngiscriptboard bahohla ngazi yabona lezi lamabhodo la omnyama mangumqembi uthi ngithole injalo ora abanongihona no ngigelhlele yasimeke ngipila into engwa ngipila uri ngiyajima ngihlaba lokho ama vitamin B or ama vitamin C lokho abakuhlaba ukuthi inhlalo la how libe smooth libe silk uthi yazi nyazi maintain angidlali and yang encourage ubrothers ukuthi wayana up your game kulabona uthi ang introduce uthi nami kube i10 yami ukuthi now I need to introduce him eyithi kubaseyithi uthi hayi vele ngibatshele ukuthi no ngizoza nosibani ngihlala naye in sizospenda a day lapha ekhaya. Uthi hayi vele ekhaya ube abantu abapreparayo vele ngihambe vele no brothers vele sek uthi mina vele ngizibilele emakhaya and ngivela from i background engasi sharp kulobona and lo uvela ku background right and nanoma kube maybe uye uba sponsorile ukuthi babe nezinto ezinhle but uvela la ku right khona everywhere la siye khona sovakasha khona kubomamkhulu bomamncane kubo yini like ikidinto le sharp ku sharp uthi vele sikhaya uthi masiya vele ekhaya awushoza uthi mas driver vele ngisho uthi yo shemindlu kamama yo umkhukhu kamama inoba ngibe nalathi ukuthi lo muntu uzongi-undermine because of mina naye vele azangiyena bengicala ukuya naye ekhaya ukuthi ngiyom-introduce or awushoza isi-drive masendleleni athi you know what bebe ngeke sekini like singakaphathanga next ngena lana sithenge or like I'm for permission should akhombisa ukuthi I'm here to build something now uthi singene e shop grocery uthi awushozi umuntu apusha itrolley ngidop athi no baby that dope like izinto bangazidinga for the whole month uthi sidope or awushozi think ukuthi ngobhadala ngale card anginikeze lona uthi umuntu akhipha icard lakhe aswipe grocery over 5,000 uthi like ngidope to an extent ukuthi nami sengidla amahloni ukuthi umuntu lona labantu akabasiphathe bathenga uba ngathi vele gichuana kilobona uthi abhadale athi befana ukuthi usifundise ukuthi mayekini ungahambi nje ngebribe pack So you need to show them ukuthi manje la ukhona khona impilo ishintshile akusafanele sasikhathi kudala. Uri awushows ke bona mara na mundimo omfile monna lena mundimo omfile uthi like the excitement I had ukuthi ngikhombisa umzalo wami indoda enesidima. Awushows uthi yo uthi masidive endleleni like impilo yakhe ngicabanga ukuthi ikithi usona so lo muntu lo inoba shocked ulalela umpedo weskepe he amazenkosi ekithana imbobo uthi like lezo zinto like they keep on rolling in my mind because of like skina letsogo ke shogile gore motho tlo bona go gesu ajike ke bona angasangiboni attractive angasangithandi yabona sonke uthi already sengifona mama ukuthi uclean gogo in spring cleaning ye upheke in ye ukhiphe like izinto zakho ezibest ye uwale impete uthi already sengithumele nemali ukuthi bathenga ibedding bashintshe ngilobana bathenge nezinto ezitemporary eroomini ukuthi kube nice and clean vele kube spotless cause abuthi kamse orata monka fresh mholing school. What I was choosing to drive uthi must drive vele kube sesiyafika vele ngiyamkhomkhomisa simkhona jikala uthi vele sifika uthi masifika ekithi umama unomalumama na my other cousin na umfana wona uthi ngibona ukuthi ubafune because of bekafuna ukuthi at least ubras athola umuntu owubaba yabona ijardini kungabe ukuthi uyafika uthola umama ayi1. Hey guys ngicocela mara le emanyekeni yabona how uthi vele masifika vele ubrothers vele afike vele abulise ngesizotho kube umuntu vele very respectful abulise uthi vele mina ngitshela abantwana ukuthi hlisana close all also the way umama mbekajabule ngakhona umbona but bangakhona ukushow ama emotions because of ngithize yey ngicela ukuthi uziphathe kahle yabona uthi like umtholo manguhle kube ngathi like kunomcimbi athi ekithi mina awususikrwa go blacking vele like sihluphekile yabona athi the way grocery bongathi vele ugrocery yomcimbi uthi sihlise ukuthi umama mojabulele uthi okay ngekitchen ke organize like dijonyana body drinks nyana phela nami ngibe yilobona ngikhomo ukuthi ke ready hore ngaba makoti hayi uthi vele umaluma mvele nokukhazina abahlale naye vele ubrothers bamcocisi bamosiya phela mina ukuthi bayamsearch bafuna ukuthi umuntu onjani ovela kuphina nazelo kabani in uthi mina vele nginomama ngale umama uyamsi wena uthi manje isikolo yosibaya bayasesigawu umtshaka muthu unalithelete wamona ngikhathelete in uthi my mom was so excited athi whatever happens ngwanami faka amazipho lo muntu lo ungavumi nanoma ungayenzekala ungavumi ukuthi nihlukane lo uzokukhipha inhluphekile ungafuni ukuhlupheka njengomamakho uthi like angadvise vele umama ukuthi nanoma ungayenzakalani ungavumi ukuthi lo mnotho lo uphume ezandleni uthi ngibona ukuthi okay mama ngiyamthanda okay uthi Tom na vele abe you wana bathu bana bayithora sharp uthi ngibona ukuthi this guy mara like olobuntu and like respectful kanti waye mara nilimi lami lerara nakulela mantu respectful and azange judge ukuthi kuhayi kubamba because of ina la vela khona uthi hayi vele langa lishone hayi vele sizolala vele for one night uthi hayi vele sikamareni uthi ubrothers athi yimi mara mangathi ngiyakushada ngathini ngicela ukuthi ngishada ngathini uthi sikhuluma so like sisame kuma angina ne headboard eroomini lami or ngibeka ama continental like saxoxa ukuthi sihambe njani uthi ajike like this angibos athi mara mangathi ngifuna ukushada ungathini abona uthi how baby how like a question enjani fanele ukhiphe ring phela ungibuza ubone ukuthi ngizothi yes or no uthi like ngikhulume in a joking way but like bengifuna ukuthi yenzeke because of lo muntu ngiphila naye enisiphila kamnandi hayi uthi ubrothers avevele ahlike empedeni uthi ajump empedeni uthi like ibag yakhe bephezulu kwesitulo like khafule munyako uthi aphakame vele ajump empedeni ayebhekeni uthi vele like ngilele like ulele like eside yami so ngilele ngakhona impeko but uthi savile soka continental awona uthi manje ukuthi awuni manje lo nofuna nobhekeni uthi umuntu aze next to the bed uthi anile down athi Thobile will you marry me uthi nakho untsaringi arenge kohesu yebona uthi vele mos out of excitement uthi njambe empedeni or scream hore uthi ngimcabisa uthi yebo yebo Tom ngiyabonga ko Tom lobolo yabona orobe mnati ngifise nokuthi umama ngaba kangalalanga ngizomtshela izinto ezenzekalayo because already bekulate uthi vele ekseni vele ngabo 5 vele angijela uthi ish babes kumele usihambe ngokuthi vele uvuke usazipreparela vele ngabo 8 kuba ngisiyahamba la uthi umalume ngaleli kithi uthi vele ekseni aphuma ehlala ngaphansi nomalume ubrothers kanti ubrothers usorile ngwalo la kuphela idate amalobolo ukuthi bazoletha amandwendwe okay but ubrothers vele ashiye iletha nomalume angatshela uThobile ukuthi phela mina ngize ngiphethe nencwadi yabona uthi hayi vele ba breakfast after breakfast vele kube ukuthi bayavalisa vele bayahamba uthi masihamba vele sihambe sifike vele endlini kube umuntu uthi no I'm rushing to a meeting ngizobuya ngokubona uthi hayi vele umama ngifonela athi yewena ntombazana wangangitshela ukuthi umuntu akufuna ukushada in yabona uthi vele athi hey lo muntu lo phela mama ngithize ngithi angikhiphela iring angicela ukuthi ngimshade so ekseni singakhona ukukhuluma because bengarasha kebolela solo wena iqaphele ring uthi azange ngikhona ukukhomba umama iring and azange khona ukumtshela because of umama umuntu wamasiko sokuba ngathi some disrespect yabona uthi umama athi wena phela umuntu ushiya incwadi la in yakamalume akho in 3 months time afuna ukuza base bakhuluma ne date ukuthi if ever sayivuma leyo date kube iprocess unyali ubona usisi uthi awushows like excitement or night ngitshela ukuthi uyani lapha ku meeting yakhe lo muntu lo ngixomutsisa uthi makufika vele ngithi how baby wangasho ukuthi sofuna ukuthumela amandwendwe uthi athi phela ngicelile wavuma so what's blocking us so ngicela ukuthi khuluma nabasekini iprocess irun smooth because of na already sensekele shohor kawubala uthi yey kube indaba zokuthi ngithumele imali ekhaya ngithi yelungisani le data bayibekile ngasayishintsha ivumeni uthi ngoba umama mvele ubonile ukuthi lo muntu lo undlisa life ubona uthi kube indaba zokuthi vele umama uyavuma kube indaba ukuthi aprepariwa 3 months idlule umuntu akhipha amandwendwe akhipha imali akhiphe nezinkomo eziphilayo kube process uthi bande ekseni kube indaba zokuthi vele mina ngiyabuya from ekhaya lahlala khona kodi babes yabona uthi sisi vele mangifika Monday ngimthole vele ukhona because already ngimfonela ngathi baby I'm coming back athi ayibuya sithando sami befuthi I've planned a trip for mina now ukuthi so celebrate union yethu ngilobana sharp uthi I was choosing ngifike vele mangifika vele ngifreshen up ubra so back athi sihamba we are flying outside the country or I was just excitement ngetsanga na ku gore ake go a iteng into ke nagana or content ke content ya gore phela ngwana o nyetse ke motho ho bale smeke uthi vele ngipake kube indaba zokuthi the very same night on Monday uthi indaba zokuthi we are flying out uthi fly out by outside the country malala eAfrica not obon malala ama country la wala eAfrica la I cannot mention the country by okay uthi I should fly uthi masifika vele airport so ukuthi vele kunomuntu vele osimele athi no baby one of my business associate uthi we can use in indlu yakhe for time being singayi ehotelini because of ena onendlu ehlala umuntu ola I was choosing ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo uconnected uzikazi nabantu bangaphandle abanezindlu in ola imoto ihambe ola I was choosing imoto mayihamba uthi vele sifike kwenye mansion vele enhle I was just epila uthi I was just maswi athi kulobona like umuntu ushise like impepho or shise something like wathuntshe just clare and then like ungabona the actual smoke but like smell sikushaye mawungena endlini ukuthi ayena man like khona into bebashisile uthi masingena eminyango uthi like ngibambe ile smell singibambe ngithi no man la ngikhona into off wabona uthi mangikadala ngimbuka baby wasihlala la kulomuzi wesingahlali ehotel baby was like no man la indlu umngani wami so sizokhona relaxa and then sizohlala until Sunday baze nini Monday bazoba lapha until nini Sunday and then from Sunday then last ngibela khona endlini uthi okay sharp asifika umngani akekho uthi sithola kuna 2 ladies and 2 guys ama sevens ka umngani uthi asifike vele bathi basikhomela singalala khona ukuthi you can freshen up ugcoze nje comfortable sizoprepare anything you want uzositshela thina we are here to serve you uthi awushows inhliziyo yami like ingakhululeki ngifeel ukuthi man la ayikhona into of engayizwisisi but ubrothers urelaxise ebile hana mathata ngithi ngimtshela ukuthi mara na baby yazi ukuthi ngala nginuka imithi hayi mara kunuka izinto ezisnacks at hayi man baby phela la is outside the counter sise South Africa so izinto basebenzisana izinto esisebenza as fun that's why mina ngicabanga ukuthi wena umuthi hayi usisi uthi awusijose vele sihlale sibe comfortable basenzele ukudla uthi the friend eze vele siseseku dinner table sidla uthi friend makafika abantu bajabulelana ufriend makeza ohamba ewana hamba nomakhosi utsamayele makhosi uthi friend makafika abuza ukuthi nifisa isikhathi uthi vele bakhulume hayi I introduce a friend yimi athi he's my wife ngimlobolile angimkoloti we can start with whatever we came here for uthi sisamangala athi bathong start what kilobona uthi avele bakhulume baqeda ukukhuluma la bathi kithi okay finish up udla nensizwe sinizeni ngasekamareni awusho sengimangele phela and ucabanga ukuthi amagama kamama mothizeni whatever happens mntwana malala komunne usikamdumela hormone natsamaye cause utonta kukai ko poverty yabona uthi vele bahambe uthi masiya vele siya with this athi there is a room like a room leli and then kune little room inside the room ngiyangibamba ngisho uthi vele sifike vele uthi singene eminyango like lo normal room uthi singene uthi masiqeda ungena ngibona ukuthi hayi man kunendlu inside the house a house inside the house small house inside the house uthi hawu kunomnyango vele omncane awungena vele uya kuqa like yakuqa udiranga speed wayinama wakhonama cycle like global uthi vele bathi makoti sizongena ngapha ila sizokhulumela khona imeeting yethu how uthi ngibheka uTom leso sikhathi uthi userious intongo ngaro waketse budira ini mara userious uthi hayi vele ngibheka uTom ngithule uthi hayi vele ufriend angene makhosi angene uTom angene nami ngingene uri awushuza ekitsena kwala or lififilele ngo akibone selo lififi arobona lififi lififoli mama babeshithe something in the middle of that little house it's wamushi but also like very slowly like into ngathi yasha mara isha kancane mara very slowly uthi sifike ngaphayana uthi uTom khuluma ukuthi ngifuna ukwakha umuzi ngifuna ukuba nemali ngifuna ukuthi izinto engizenzayo zingifakele imali and ngifuna ukuthi nomfazi wami aphile a comfortable life yabona uthi uTom like guqila ngisho like because of the little house uthi siguqile mara kazi ngikhuluma into ezithusa NS25 to 12 uthi leso sikhathi siguqile vele like ngapha ngaphansi kwalendlu levena vele encane yabona uthi usisi uthi uTom akhuluma la angithi athi khuluma izinto esifunayo like out of shock uthi angathi baby angathi athi anchapeka agugu athi khuluma izinto esifunayo nawo angisho already sekhulumile uTom ukuthi ufuna ini uthi sisters athi nami ngifuna i-comfortable life ngifuna sibe nomntwana ngifuna ukuthi akhe umuzi wethu sibe nemali nami ngikhona ukuthi ngakhela umzali wami indlu uthi impilo yethu ibe comfortable nami ngibe neyami business uthi ngibale awusijosi not knowing ukuthi mangibala zonke lezi zinto engizibalayo ngizozisebenzela ayikho into ezamahala emhlabeni uthi awusoze ngibale bathi kithi okay bongani ke ngesomething like yabona chelete lebo hanga chelete yabona uthi uvele uTom vele ayenza ngisho like kikol fifing enokuhletsi mushi uthi angiyenze so like lobona ngigucile so alethi isandla sakhe so anginikeze something yabona athi beka phansi ngibeke phansi naye abeke phansi acela labathi makhosi asho ke akhulume manje ama terms and conditions ukuthi kuzowenzakalana asho ukuthi baba Tom lento engizokunikeza yona yonke lento enifunayo noyi2 izo combine anything that you want izozicombine zoyi2 if izokupha umnotho izokupha umfazi umnotho if izonipha ingane mina ukuthi ingane zizoba double or like double bana babayi-2. If ibhizinisi yenu futhi indondobale yoba kayi-double. If ufuna ukuthi ibhizinisi wena ube nebhizinisi nalo uzoba ne-new business, like anything you want izoba kayi-double. Even the payment izoba kayi-double. Uyabona? Hayi bathu sisi vele bathi bavume ukuthi akuna inkinga. Uthi awushozi uThobile. Uthi mina cabanga bangilobolile. Ngisase fresh, ngisase madly in love, I'm still happy. Ngisasicabanga ama-content in mara rekondumbe nkaharandumbana inyana. Kana kuyuri dumela the terms and condition kahalali fifi komotion. Uthi awushozayo vele siphume ngapho sihambe. Uthi vele masiphuma ngibe ndaba ukuthi vele mina ngekamareni because I'm still shocked ukuthi lo muntu lona ngiphile naye isikhathi eside ngingabona yenza ama-rituals today. Katsatsile like khutla nka lona after lobola umuntu sesila outside the country in Africa. Silana sesikhuluma izinto zethu kuthi like siyazibopha ama-vows amanye manje wale umbuso wale fifi bazibopha futhi bazibophele bazibopha nala. Uthi awushozi ngekamareni vele ngibe pissed off vele ngibe pissed off ubrasa nomuntu wakhe baphasole baphuzana notshwala mina ngihleli ngalena like ngisurprise. I don't know ukuthi ngitshela umama ngitshela umngane or ngitshela icolleague or ngitshela ngubani but ngithe ukuthi inowadle indaba le ngizoyana yithunini because mangayisho yazi izindaba ukuthi sitravela kanjani especially within the family members. Uthi ngikhethe ukuthi ngizothi hayi brother sivele sikhathi ukuthi azembedeni azothi ngimbuza ukuthi why ungiletha la without like i-concern yami ukuthi ngizozalana. Ungiletha lana uzongifaka ezindumbeni ngaphathi kwezindumba like ungangitsheli. Uthi uTom ambuza athi how baby when do you think ukuthi zonke lezi zinto bozibona yonke le mali bospenda as much as I do have a business but do you think ukuthi yonke le mali lo spenda roughly nje yonke vela ku business like a proper enganankinga? Uthobile uthi ya ngiqaleke manje ngithwala amehlo ngivula amehlo ke ukuthi kanti mona ori athi phela nenye into eyisebenzele then ukuzoyithi isebenzele fanele ukuthi udlulela konzima khona. So this is our stage ukuthi everything boyifuna indlu kamama yakho ufuna in business uzozithola but angeke uzithole ngendlela straight and narrow njengerula udluli berekela behind closed doors. Uthi kube explanation yakhe ayi vele uthi lokucasuka vele ngibuthi okay because ngizifakile noredo umuntu onobili akusale indaba uthi ngimukele kanjalo. Awushozi bekuyiMonday Tuesday silale lapha yana hayi Tuesday sibele ngale endombeni inside indumba yabona. Hayi uthi sifise ngalina abathi kimi ngicela sisi ukhumule usale ngcono brothers khumula usale ngcono nisithina sizophuma meaning ukuthi uMakhosi na the friend they will go out wait outside and labo bayakhumula baba ngcono inside the dumba ingaphakathi kwendumba. Uthi hayi ngoba nami sengizibophile awushozi namagama kamama ukuthi poverty so skip inhluphekweni. Uthi vele sikhumule soyi2 uthi basitshele kahle ukuthi kuqani phansi uthi siguqe ngisho sikhumulile uthi siguqe phansi. What awushozi athi kulobona like ugucile ne but u feel this touch yomuntu like ubandambo. Uthi ngifeel this touch uthi vele ngiscream ukuthi like out of ukuthiwa ngiscream uthi vele angibambe uthi at baby ungarasi lento siyenza la senzela thina nomndeni wethu le generations to come so please bekezela until sizicede. What awushozi into leya ingibambe ingprasha amabele izingprashe nebhunu but ingangenzi next ingangicapuza ingangenzi next uthi ngenze kanjalo uthi I don't know ukuthi whether my husband menze the same thing ngenze yona but mina ingprasha amabele yangprasha ibhunu ceda la yabe seyaphuma ke. Uthi bengizwe ukuthi isandla but it's not a normal hand like our hand uthi bewisandla but it's fishan but normal hand but sifishana asi like long like renaso. Awushozi uthi siphume laphayana uthi masiphuma that night abesingakhulumisani ulele wabheka le ngalala ngabheka le uthi besifila soyithu ukuthi ngathi sisifake entweni beyond our control esingeke siyazi. Uthi day 4 manje sewi in Thursday uthi day 4 uMakhosi athi i-final ritual day yoba Friday i-final ritual day yabo. After the ritual they can go home if they want to go home. uthi okay awushozi that day sibile futhi kule ndumba inside indumba. Hayi uthi vele singene siye ngale ndombeni last day Friday night. Uthi masiya ngale Friday night sifike vele sithola ukuthi usibekele izinto zokugeza. Uthi lelo langa awushozi mush onostengi bekabeke athola bona le light le bayibijanga light le lawo bikisa paraffin. Uthi bekabona lena alikhanyisile but angakhanyisanga like bright, likhanyile mabethu ukuthi ukhona ukubona ama faces kahle and likhanyele like la eduza ngakhangelanga khayisanga from it because baluvulile kancane and lina lalentuthu ayikho. Uthi sifike sithole ukuthi basibekele vele amabhavu nyana amancane. Uthi na something vele ired angiyazi ukuthi yini. Uthi awushozi umuntu athi okay ngena ngapha nethu nikhumule nigeze ngalento le ired esingayazi ukuthi yini. Uthi hayi vele singene vele sigeze. Uthi awushozi moyeng wakhe sethi ke needs of whatever they want to do they can do it because ngisekudeni outside the country and indoda ezengitshela ukuthi sizoyenza. Mina bengazi ukuthi siza kuphi ko honeymoon. Uthi sigeze uthi amtshele ukuthi into enizohamba nayo la ngicela ukuthi ni lihlokomeleni izontshela ukuthi yona ifuna ini but ngicela ukuthi nihlokomele. Uthi kwaba ilamagama engwabambili. Uthi from there azangisezwa next kwaba ngathi ikhanda lami lisitsing yezwa lo sound athi kube ngathi bayakhuluma but angibezwa isound because of the level of shock besemzimbeni. The way being shocked ngakhona ukuthi this loving gentleman unuka kamnandi ungisuse South Africa ozongiletha la for izinto lezi bathi sizojika naye siphinde sitreqokomele. Uthi awushozi kube indaba zokuthi vele Friday lo senza whatever silala. Uthi Saturday morning ngithi you know what I've had enough of this nonsense ngibaxotsamaya angisafuna ukuzibona kulo mosi lo ngicela ngiphindisele emuva. Uthi bathi Tom athi you know what baby I understand ukuthi you pissed off and stuff like that asihambe siye ku vacation yethu because of it's Friday it's Saturday morning we can go to our vacation at least kungabe ukuthi ngithethela ngilethela izinto zami for my own gain but now ikhona into ezoyisusa at the end of the day uzobona. Sise at away taking about akisabatha selo let's go back home. Uthi ngive ngikhuluma so kufunwa nama flight available or awushozi habe rafly rabo back. Uthi bekuqala kwezinkinga zami kulo yamshado awushozi nohole mathomo wamathatha ayikwabone kulinyalo. Uthi sifike first night masifika umngani afone abukuthi nifikile nabathi yebo athi ya bengicela uvule ifront door yakho uyivule until 12 AM ungayivali the front door yongena endlini yakho ungayivali ngicela ukuthi uyivule then I will tell you when to close it. Hayi uthi vele uTom amtshela ukuthi bathi sivule umnyango. Uthi umnyango uvule uthi singalali because you cannot sleep phela uvule umnyango. Uthi singalali ngabo 12:30 athi kuTom athi ngicela ungawuvala manje feel free ukuthi uvale umnyango. Uthi sovale or awushozi tsathi lewo onhlungu bongathi sine house helper Elisha. Uthi bokutumana wena mishanele wena mamopo wena yonke into wena mapoto wena zitsha. Uthi besingalali uthi mara masithi siyabheka siboni umuntu mara kakutumani ngola kwaphethizela isiphithiphithi but ariboni muntu. Uthi you could feel you can sense ukuthi there is someone in here but akhona ukumbona with your physical eyes. Or also ararobala sahlala simile ebusho kawufela asingalalanga silele emakusa because uthi zemaqala ukusa kwathola kwathi tu ngathi lento lo bengekho. Or awushozi kwaba ukuthi siyazibona ukuthi manje sisifake emakakeni. Uthi Tom asho ukuthi mara nje ukuthi umuntu olibela kumakhosi libela sivule umnyango. Uthi ngitshela Tom ukuthi Tom how can you ngithathe ungise kudeni kangaka ezintweni engazathi namuhla sizolala la singakalalanga. Tom athi mara babe maybe day one lento lizoba right. Uthi second night I was choosing same thing iqale same thing into ubuchacha ngithukuthi manje indlela emireni ayibona. uthi into vele icale futhi or awushozi izitsha masezinkini ziwashiwe uthi amabhodo aklini akubila kuba khona nensilo kuba clean mawungashiya ithawula ushiye phansi ingcolile uzoyithola ekseni iyanehilo ilisiguni mara awubona moto or awushozi kubela khona sengicala ukuthi ngiba nama consents wami ukuthi butisi lento ilethela ayisi right phela bona no iribonza mhlolo fonela umakhosi uthi bafonela umakhosi athi hayi ningawari nizoyibona lento le sazoyenza umsebenzi womkhulu ningajahe ningasabi mayikhona nithathe ngathi ingane yenu so ungayisabi uthi vele tshela nomakoti ukuthi lento le isivakashi sakhe angayisabi. Alright, day 3 awushozi silele uthi manje sizongumnyango wasekamareni uvuleka direct straight uthi ngijump empedeni because I can feel ukuthi lo mnyango wasekamareni uyavuleka uthi mangijump empedeni or awushozi sathile ngileka bona motho umkhuswane wabaleli dreads ngolibo file liphondo uthi ngithi kuthomo ithi thomo ngibonisa uthi thomo makathi right nayavuka the same thing that I'm saying is the same thing nayibonayo uthi bathu uthi lento levele ithi ibabheke direct emihlweni or awushoze into izempedeni uthi gibele ingene between us uliklon like umuntu uvula umnyango umemnyango qedana namangaza ngisho bathi ithi qedana mayisuka lapha emnyango uthi umnyango othi ukheke uthi igibele empedweni ithi ingene in between them uthi donsi ngobilala or awushoze ngikaro bala ka le side so kapa la go tso hampeteng go ga ba ka gona le ntwe mpo feeling le ola lena ola wa skele mo 777 uthi naye uleli ufasekile asikhona uvuka arikhona uscreama arikhona iselo uthi lento le yafika yalala ngokucala mayifika kamareni or awushoze rachuha the second night zangisifuna le kamareni lethu saku guest bedroom ukuthi angeke izisithole ngapha because usifuna ngalena ilale iyodwa if ever ifuna la ngale kamareni or awushoze second night the same thing happened yafika yavula umnyango guest bedroom yafika yagibela umpedeni or awushoze kwaba ukuthi into seyarana for a month yarana 2 months 3 months from uqafika ukuthi sesiyajwayela gore ntwe retreat as one of us uthi sesiyajwayela noma sevula umnyango sesijwayela sokuvele ngisidonsela ingubo intifika uthi into enamazipha ngcolile amnyamathu ethi lana inama dreadlock ibuphi iphondo inali dreadlock ibufile liphondo ke untade umkhutswana ukubona uri awushoze ngicale ngithuwa to extend ukuthi ngiyajwayela uthi kanti befuna ukuthi size sijwayele lo mgulu ukuthi umfishane uthi kanti befuna ukuthi sibone ngathi is something yenza into normal uthi ngale lo mzuzu ebusinessini kaGuy akungatsho like ukupick up imali lebasitshele ngayo uthi no sizo pick up sibe nemali and everything uthi yenzeke into uthi udlule 6 months ke manje so le iyenzeka uthi nanoma ungahamba uya ku hotel guest house or whatever ngalesikhathi ukuthi ize ngaso ithi iyafika awukhona ukuyibaleke anywhere you go la yolala khona ilanga lingakushonela uthi ulala khona izoza uhlwebona athi befuthi mase kuma hotels ayikho umuntu oyibonayo beside mina no Guy sayibona abanye abantu abayiboni uthi nanoma ngaya kuma family gathering or ku Guy ayikho umuntu ozoyibona but mina ngizokhona ukuyibona because of into kabani nangibamba guys uthi awushozi iyenzeke it's 6 months into sesayijwayela vele endlini ukuthi vele iyafika yenze whatever yenzayo ebusuku iclean ifimopa kudlana ifike kamareni igibela umbed ilale between us uthi one stupid night just after the 6 months at into engenenye beyenza like a rotation icala into iyenze nizenijwayele yenza something yenze nizenijwayele yenza something like that or like already na schedules or after this time we did so after one uthi one stupid isikhathi naso siphela masinga uthi awushoze one stupid night ifike yenze whatever kwenzayo igibele empedeni uthi magibele empedeni mina ngilele like this like wabona ngikhulumela kubo let's this direction ubrothers bekalele angibambile. So mayifika vele ingena embhedeni iyasihlukanisa mina ukuthi ingena phakathi nendawo. Uthi brother sifela belile uthi nami ngishifte like to my side because usesijwayele ukusilala ngama side. What awushosi lelo lang azange zifuna ukukhuluma kuningi ivele yangibamba iphenti lami yalitabula yalikhila uthi yangibamba iphenti yalitiqo. Uthi ngimangele uthi into yaphusha into yayo inside me. Uthi ubrothers bekabheke everything but nekachukehile athi nongaba kube nomuntu oneka into le ka Sophia the first ini magic wand or le bathi freeze ebona. Uthi kube ngathi bebambele into le yathi freeze to my husband. Uthi awushozi yayenza whatever beyifuna ukuyenza phezukwami athi lento le yangihlwe ngula athi yangenza whatever befuna ukungenza ingidryisa ingenzani intunamisa or ceka ufela awushozi. Uthi yangenza uthi yaqeda makuthi uqeda lana yavele yangena engubeni yalala. Or awushozi azange ukuthi ngivuke ngize uthi ngadlala but ngasikhihla ubusuku bonke. Uthi my husband naye ulele that side direct side lombhede lakhe azange azamuvi azange azakhulume. Uthi naye I could feel ukuthi uzobuhlungu but beyingekho into angayenza because of lento lesibelanda kuphi or can't. What else shows the following day ekseni uthi ngimbuza ukuthi is this what we sign up for? At you know what emangfonela umakhosi asinto ayishilo mina beyangithi ukuthi lento lezongifunela imali izongilethela imali izongihlanzela imali bathi ihlanzana imali. So azange ngitshela ukuthi izosenza so but bafonela umakhosi. Makhosi was like my friend I told you ngathi lento lezonsebenzela but nani nizobhadala. That part of ubhadaling iyo le part leyo. So lento le eyenu. So whatever izoyifuna kini izoyithola but nani whatever nifuna kiyo nizoyithola. Uthi awushozi ke ngikhalisa iklilo sakanandi ukuthi izoyenza mina so every night na kanti mina ngizodlwengula into engayazi na. Yabona uthi awushozi lento le beyiza like towards midnight uthi yaqala manje seyifika ngabo 10. Mayifika ngabo 10 ifithola isekamareni siyashwa ifika ithi magic wand uTom yamfrizisa yenza whatever or siyasha and a very long time which to an extent ukuthi sokuyazi ukuthi mo ngikhuhlekile ngikhubukhile because of uthi cause beyingenza yonke into and you don't like into uyibona athi imagine like something a monster are illegal actioning hore ibajwang facial expression like umzimba body language everything athi imagine ingenza kanjalo uthoma ngibhekile uri awushozi mina noThombe singasayi inkonzweni yasekamareni besingasayi besingakhoni benga like umshini bongadumi nami ibody yami freeze nje bekungekho into eyenzakalayo even if angakhumula abe ngesuthi kaJesu abe nje bekungekho into ethi sho because of that thing is boyilanda. What I'll show you this thing ukuthi iyangenza every night yenzeka 3 months yadlula. Sengijwayele ukuthi vele yenza whatever selengizinikele emoyeni. What I'll show you ka 3 months yona if I can tell you ngabe ungathi nginamanga. Kule 3 months saba nenye imali singayazi ukuthi vilaphi but besine mali. Uthi during the day bozo sikhalele benyine imali bengidriver expensive cars uthi awushosi everything bathumela imali like nobody's business kababuhlala worker emankahele emtswadi waka kodwa whatever izoyenza ngalento le ile ukuthi sengiphushile uthi ngiphushe ikithi ngakhe kithi uthi ngangifuna nami stand emakhaya ngazakhela nami indlu edecent enkulu uthi ngithi ngaqalisa phansi every single thing ngabayenzela wabashap uthi nasihlala khona we moved to a bigger house but still noma sesimuvile kana kwe hore 8:12 iyatla uthi awushozi yadlula 6 months sengijwayele ukuthi vele kahle sengifazi yalento lo. Alright, one stupid night awushozi silele sayizu yangena okay sharp sithi ke tloetsa uri nna ke tlo gailelo o santse ke robale ke le so cause besele ngithethe ukuthi vele ngibanje uthi brothers yena beka qoka uthi hayi lelo langa ubrothers usabhekile uthi into yavele yambamba ngesimari into lebe imenzakalela ukuthi kube ngathi umuntu uza ngemagic wand athi freeze uthi nga freeze and mic freeze sathi direction ukuthi ubone ukuthi yenzani. Uthi ngafreezer uthi yamenzani awusijosi. Uri yametsang ka sibono, uri yametsang. Uri yametsang. Uri a re kena ke yametsang a re ne ke bona le madi. A re ntwela wa itla o dira dutse no sa di tsebeng. Ara awusijosi into yasithomenta uthi yayeka mina ngaba ku break ngaba ku living bano ya gore ke tlo every night. Nizongicolela ne mina ngikhuluma istory. Yo, lena 23:57. Ngifuna uqeda le story link khona ukusipost. Nisithole ekseni. Awusijosi yamenzani uthi ngaba selivini ye 6 months or every night imenza so but imali yangena imali yangena arichelete nohula into arena chelete nohula into riphilang ka yona or awusijosi no extend ukuthi le ndoda le athi no I cannot take it anymore umsathi asibiyele la sibuyilanda khona lento le sayibusela uthi sa fly awusijosi ngawubutho refly relatela nthori nyako yobushetha uthi umnikazi wathi tekile wayithatha uyithathile ayisabuyi unless if ungathola umuntu ozoyithenga kuwe ayithatha ithengisele omunye phambili or awusijosi sihambile abomakhosi sihambile amabandla different kinds of churches uthi sizihambile into ingayindawo uthi sahlangana nomunye ubaba one day samchazela ukuthi makhosi naye uthi samchazela ukuthi sinenkinga 1 2 3 4 5 6 makhosi was like mina izinto enithola ngazo ngiyakhona ukusithatha isithwalo ngisithengisele umuntu osifunayo so I can come fetch it ngesikhathi ifika ngaso and then from there ngihamba ngiyithengisela umunye umuntu or awusijosi vele yaba kanjalo ke uthi emshadweni akusesemnandi asacabuzani asababani I no longer see this man attractive nakasangiboni nje kahle sesibo brother and sister siboni trauma nje empilweni yethu bachelete uthi emini mase kuma business meetings la kukayi anyeke uzwazi because of sikhona ukuyifihla kahle into trauma esiphila kwami uthi vele azubaba vele ngesikhathi ukuthi afike akhalise izinto zakho until the beep today kyawonka ungwanaka tsamalweni what is zilwe uthi lelo langa for the first time ayifika bazange siyibone but ubaba yena beyakhona ukuyibona and mabalwa sokubesizwe good but yena lento lesingayibona because it was refusing ukuthi ihambe because of already phela seyikhulele lapha ibhali lapha yana lento uthi ayenze alise dikupa alise mirupa alise in arkyawonka uri awusijosi ubaba lo makhosi wathatha le nto wakhona ukuyinqoba vele wayithatha wahamba nayo uthatha mayilona asitshela ukuthi ningaphinde nifonelwe yababa noma nganifonela nimblock and ningaphinde nize ningifonele because immediately kuba le communication between that man and me lento lizokhona ukutrace back izobela adna kuphela nokoyilahla kolahla mhlala sakhona ngasahlele ikhona ukuzala ikhuluma mala ngithi amaningi nako sometimes uyabona so I vele isimenge ku guys u12 bengisathandaza ngase ngayifela shemitori yabona uthi vele abatshela ukuthi ningacontact anybody anything ezonihlanganisa nalo muntu lo please or awusijosi since sathile itsamaya nto ela ibusiness went like we lost everything silos uthi ngikhuluma nawe nje mina no Tom redula komagayeng endlini engayakha ngale mali leyana kotropong asana business partner tsa ga motswedi business chelete enonyamalala uthi everything esayithola ngolombuso lobumnyama uthi sayiluza ngaphandle kwala indlu le yasemakhaya because of nelikole fasing no stamor patelang rente nesena under ingi or everything is set down everything yadleka yonke uthi ngikhuluma nawe so angisebenzi ubrother sakasebenzi sisemakhaya we are starting afresh or bophelo bore ngimakang bophelo bomnyama abungalunganga uthi ngitshele everyone hore ntho ibatlang ayaluka yo sana bana ngizongicole sengikhathele she 12:05 ke khathetse khali ngiphusha lencolo uthi usisters uthi awusijosi mina nalo muntu lona sihlele emakhaya sithengisa izinkukhu. Life is not lifing the way besilife ngakhona, the way benginemali ngakhona, the way besihlonta ngakhona imoto uthi sineveni and sithenge with our last money, sithengisa rekisa dikgogo komagayeng. Uthi on top of everything else awushozi motho o lane ke mona leng attractive ang khamonata a dirang, uthi uwe inye into engayazi. And another sad part called asisakhona ukuya enkonzweni nasekamareni, asikhoni mina into yakhe vele ayisasebenzi, ayitsohi akithi wori because of ke nna or uya kontle or king uthi nami angimboni attractive, angikhona ukuthi ngikhumule ngisale ngilipuna angibonele akikhoni. Uthi naye the same thing, uthi mina naye sihlala ngathi we are siblings but outside lahlala khona siyenza ngathi simalavi davi but ari dire selo or awushozi bophelo bo abaloka or bophelo bo monata o bothoma or tšhelete e tlo tsena shito uzojabulela yonke into. Awushozi bophelo bo abaloka bo bothoko, uthi ngibound nalo muntu lo si together but bophelo ba rena abosale monate because asinthala mali lezi zinto lezi bese attracted to kuze azisekho horo reflushala. So athi mawungamuza makhuluma namasendlini ungazukhali because akasangifuni mara akakhona ukungiyeka, nama ngisamfuni but naye akakhona ukungiyeka. So kusho like ikhona into esibuphile together reclaiming hore be together but asisafunani awushozi or ke phela botlhoko ke phela boima. Basadi ba re ke dula ko ntlong e botse mara ba tsebe ka ntlong ile e botse go na le go tonya, go na le lefifi. Oh hi guys, hi mali sayithanda mara sele mali zokusuhlungu so sure. Hi guys, hi clap once like hi sharp guys. Hi yazi kubuhlungu, asilempilo siphila ibuhlungu guys, like ebuthoko to an extent ukuthi ungazi uthi ngulunkulu ngiyabonga ukuthi ngikhona lokuthenga ilofu yeAlbany 20 rand, like nokuthi ujabulela ukuthi khona ukuthenga ama croissant eWoolworths, radu ujabulela ukuthi khona ukuthenga iAlbany makulini 20 rand kwani otloroba la ka piece ka khotso. Angifuna ukupreacher hayi papa yini guys.